Hello traders and welcome to Trade Explained. In this short video I'm going to show you how I made over $2,000 trading the pound today in just over 1 hour. Intro. The idea for this trade came from our trading room today, where we were looking to go long off the US market open at 8 AM Eastern time. As you can see, what happened straight afterwards was the market surged to the upside for around 40 pips. That was the initial trade. This trade was waiting for the pullback and playing a secondary move and potentially a bigger move to the upside. And the reason being is this. The market showed strength on this initial surge to the upside, so most likely the pullback is buyable. Also, if you look at the monthly chart, you can see that the market put in a new high here, and this is the first pullback to demand where it may turn to the upside and continue moving higher. But we're still bearish on the weekly and on the daily chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that we're actually pointing to the upside here, so we may move higher. So ahead of time, I'm waiting for a pullback to around this area, and then I'm going to look for a sign of an entry in the price action. So if we go down to a 5-minute chart, I first entered on this price direction change to the upside, and then I entered a second time to get up to full size with another 2 lots about 10 minutes later. So let's have a look at what happened. So here's my first entry, and 10 minutes later I entered around here, and then I pushed my stop up to 27.10 because I've got bigger size on now. And what happened was the market moved against me initially and got quite close to the stop, and then just before May was about to speak at 11 AM Eastern time, the market surged to the upside and hit my first target, and then I actually got out manually the second 2 lots before it reached my bigger target because of the nature of the move. And you can see exactly what happened afterwards is that the market came all the way back down to this area, which is where it is at the time of making this video. So that was the trade I took today, which made around $2,000 just over in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So let me show you the actual results over here so you can actually see. I'll just make it a bit bigger. So you can see I entered the trade, I think this is in GMT, but I actually entered the trade at 8:45, and then you can see around 10 minutes later I got in another 2 lots. These were my initial targets on both of them. You can see the bigger target over here, and you can see I pushed the stop up to 27.10, and you can see about 1 hour and 15 minutes later I get out the first 2 lots automatically at my target, and then I actually manually got out this one at this price over here, making just over $2,000 in just under, looks like just under 1 hour and 15 minutes. So if you like this video and learned something new, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading.